What if I told you there's an antelope that looks like a built-in air filter and swallow nose from another planet? Meet the Saiga antelope. That strange dropping nose isn't a mistake. It actually cleans dust in summer and warms freezing air in winter. But here is the weird part. Their nose change shape slightly as they breathe, and when they run in herds, it looks like a moving cloud of bouncing alien faces. Nature didn't just design survival here, it got creative.